Hello, my friends, followers, listeners, and dear traders. How are you all? Hope all will be fine and doing very awesome trading. Today, many guys ask me how we identify trend. Is bullish trend or bearish trend? So many methods to identify the trend using price action based on moving average, based on technical, based on fundamental, based on price momentum, based on indicators, and many other methods to identify the trend is high, like mean to say that buy trend or sell trend. So today I'm gonna show you one awesome strategy for trend trading. If you want to do trend trading, this strategy will help you a lot of. What is this strategy is based on two major moving averages, which will help you to identify the trend from start and also gives you the awesome signal of exit from the trade. And you will must have to switch your H1, H4, M30 time frame. Okay, always for trend trading I prefer to use H4 and H1. Daily basis is more awesome, but H4 is good, H1 also. So let's start set up the strategy. First of all, choose the moving average, set to default, and that first one 150. Next, done. Exponential, apply to close. I will choose golden color, you choose any color, no problem. 3 pixel and done. See again, moving average, indicator, moving average, period 150, shift to 0, method exponential, apply to close, and done. Look here. Okay, one more moving average. Okay, change period 200, no any shift, exponential, apply to close. I will choose black color and done. Strategy set up. Now it's time to see how we trade using this strategy. Check this point that moving averages crossing each other, moving averages crossing each other from this point. 150 and 200 moving averages crossing each other, it's mean new signal. And look here, after cross of moving averages, market started going up. Look this one, and look here. Next, look here, that buy trend, uptrend, and look here, how much pips, how long this trade. Okay, and look, when to exit. Very awesome question, and also I have an awesome answer. Look this cross. You seen that market is going to cross moving averages crossing each other, and the trend started downtrend. And you seen the trend is going down. Okay, trend is going down. We have to take our position after cross from this area, and put your SL here at previous high, previous high for the sell trade, and for buy trade previous low. Always remember, for buy trade previous low for SL, and in sell trade always previous high for SL. And TP also open, and use trailing stop, because this is trend trading. How long this trend go, we don't have idea. Well, look here, after entry how much pips we make, and look here, very awesome and clear point of exit. Once again that moving averages crossing each other and started going against your position, mean trend is going to change. So once you seen trend is going to change, so that's good, is indication to close your trade. Okay guys, I hope all guys understand how we trade trend and how we take profit and close our trade. Is there any question? Feel free to ask me. Our chat group always open. And wish you best trading. Set up the strategy and start milking the market. Okay, it will also work in M5, but I will say to use in H1. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.